Please subscribe at the very end.
Subscribe!
I thought it was about time that I did a little story time actually. So it's very interesting when you're diffusing your hair in, since we tint camp. So many instances where people have looked at me so weird because I'm diffusing my hair, you know, drying it and all that jazz. This lady kind of just stared at me and weird look, like she just walked by. And then another time this lady passed by, super sweet, and she actually asked me, she's like, what is that? And so I gave her the little background about it and all that stuff, and she's like, I actually have one. She had wavy, straightish hair, and I was like, oh, that's cool. But it's really for curly haired people. I mean, wavy haired people can use it too, it just creates less frizz. Straight haired people, I mean, you could use it. Could. It would just dry it slower, to be honest. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for keeping in tune. Enjoy. Peace out.